I'm Julian Kawohl, founder of Ecosystemizer, a platform dedicated to helping companies navigate the complex landscape of business ecosystems. As we reflect on the progress made in 2023, I'm excited to share the highlights and achievements that have shaped our journey at Ecosystemizer this year. This year, we have been to a bunch of networthy events, starting with the Innovation Roundtable at the Shell and Energy Transition Campus in Amsterdam. But we not were just only present in Amsterdam for this, let's say, dedicated Innovation Roundtable session, but also in Copenhagen at the mothership conference of that just recently in the starting of November, where more than 600 corporates gathered together. Apart from that, we were present at the Network Summit about business ecosystems and platforms in Barcelona. And also there we had great discussions and valuable networking experiences, including international researchers and practitioners from companies all over the globe. More specific were the event of the corporate reconvention in Frankfurt, or in Offenbach, close to Frankfurt, which had more a dedicated transformation organizational focus. And one of the highlights was definitely the IAA Mobility conference, where we had a panel with the general manager of NEO, with the head of innovation of ZF, a big German supplier. And there we met many interesting people from OEMs, but also from suppliers and from the scene to discuss about the future of mobility. Apart from that, there were a bunch of smaller conferences with a focus on business ecosystems, also in Germany, for instance, from German media house Handelsblatt, about digital ecosystems at the Digital Ecosystem Summit, and many, many more. On the top of that, we fostered incredible collaborations and workshops together with PwC, but also together with our clients, and not only in Germany, but also more and more internationally across Europe. So the projects are getting bigger, and of course, the questions behind and the challenges are also increasing with that. We are really looking forward to serve all these needs of our clients also next year. So all in all, beyond the professional sphere, we also celebrated 2 fantastic team events, adding a touch of shared success to our dynamic year. As we conclude the year 2023, I want to thank each of you for being part of this journey. Event organizers, panelists, participants, our clients, of course, and the incredible team of Ecosystemizer. Let's continue shaping the future of business ecosystems together. Give this video a thumb up and follow the Ecosystemizer YouTube channel to get updates in the world of business ecosystems. Thank you very much.